Today is Tuesday, January 12th, 2021. We're almost halfway through the month. I hope everybody's on track, keeping those goals and resolutions going. Ben Franklin said that it takes 13 weeks to create a new habit, and trying to complete your resolutions and your goals is just trying to create a new habit. Stick with it for 13 weeks and you'll be home free for the rest of the year. We're almost 2 weeks in, which means you've got 11 weeks to go. Today we're going to be looking at Ikkyo. Last week we took a look at Kumi Tachi Ikkyo, the first part, and we did that with the sword. So today I'm going to show you how that translates into the movements of Aikido. Take a moment to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. It'll notify you every time I upload a new video. Also, feel free to leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. So last week we did paired practice with Kumi Tachi Ikkyo. Okay, so let's take a look at the movement. So from here, we're here. We push this sword up. Make sure that strike is right there, right? Make sure that strike is right there. Push this up, pull your left foot back, and then come back in and strike. This is the movement of Ikkyo Kumi Tachi, the first part, which is Omote. Now, let's take a look at how that looks without the weapons. I'll have my partner grab Aihamni Katate Dori, and I'm going to show you the exact same thing. Okay, so I'm going to push up like this. I'm going to push up like this. And then I come in right here, and then right here, I can enter right in there like this, and I go down. So this is what it looks like without the sword. Let's do the other side. So we just did the right hand. Let's do the left hand, because when we're doing the paired practice, we're only doing the right side because swordsmanship is always right-handed. But we're going to do the exact same thing with the left hand. I push in as my partner attacks, and I turn this up. Then I pull this up. I pull my right foot back, and I go up into kokyu. Now I come in, step in, and strike. And there is my Ikkyo. That's my Ikkyo, the first part, and entering. If I have the sword, I'm doing the exact same thing. So from here, so what I'm doing is I'm pushing this up, then I'm coming up here like this, and then I'm just coming in and striking down like this, right? That's exactly what we're doing when we repeat this motion over and over and over again with the sword, so that when someone is attacking, our body has remembered that movement and it comes naturally. With the Shomenuchi strike, it's the same thing. I'm coming the same thing here, here like this, right? And then I'm coming in here, okay, and doing Ikkyo. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to show you how the weapons that we did for the past 2 episodes translate directly into the movements that we're doing in Aikido. I'm doing it very non-dynamic here, very slow, very just demonstrating. But then the whole idea, of course, is to be able to pick up the speed as someone's attacking, blending in with that attack and executing this technique. It becomes very powerful at a faster and more dynamic pace. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, leave a comment below, and I'll see you on the next episode.